Arabella and I don't know how to drive. That's right, I'm 26 years old and I don't have my car license. And today, I'm gonna be changing the oil in this truck. I don't really know that much about cars, but what I do know is that vehicles have oil in them that need to be changed. I don't know why. Does the oil get old? I don't know. Does oil age? I age slowly. The first thing I have to do is get the oil filters off. There's filters with oil. Is oil dirty? Oil gets old and dirty. Who knew? The filters are in here. Can you see these white things? Filters are these white dudes. So I have to, I'm actually not tall enough to get here. Hang on, let me get a crate. I have a crate now, it's all good. Okay. So let's get these filters off. I can't get them off. I can't tell if it's moving. I want to think it's moving, but I don't think it's moving. Oh, hang on, it is moving. Oh, I'm getting it, I'm getting it. Look, I'm doing it. I'm doing a car thing. This one is officially off. I did it. Have that. I am being guided from outside where the camera can see. Don't you worry, I'm not just like absolutely wrecking someone's car. You did turn the ignition off, right? Like I'm not gonna electrocute myself in here. Oh, look at that, it loosened all by itself and I definitely didn't have any help at all. Ooh. Number 2. That's oily. That's an oily boy. Look at my hands. I feel like a real boy now. I'm a man. Daddy, are you proud of me? Are you proud of me, Dad? So usually for this car, you go a 1050, but this is a 2060. Because the car's done a lot of Ks. This is a new filter. I don't know what it does. I think it filters. I'm learning things. Am I learning things? I don't really know. I'm gonna screw this boy back on. I just replaced a filter. Let's do the other one. Where's the other one? Ooh. Is it enough to let my whistle? Oh yeah, loves a rim job. Yeah, you love that, don't ya? You love that filter boy. I'm a mechanic. I'm probably gonna get so many you cunts in the comments being like, that's not how you do it. Well, that's how I do it. There's girls in the house now, boys. Okay, second filter. Look at her go. I'm not gonna touch both terminals of the battery and kill myself. Okay. I just replaced the filters in a Nissan Patrol. So now I have to drain all of the old oil that's in the oil tank from the bottom of the car. And to do that, I have to get under the car. So where's my wrench thing? I need a wrench, wench. Is this a wrench?
Socket on a ratchet.
A socket on a ratchet.
No.
It's fine. Okay. So I have to get under here. Oh my god. This is like actually terrifying. I feel like it's going to collapse on me and kill me. Like there is a lot of like rusty metal. Oh, I touched it. So this is the oil sump. This dude here is what I have to undo and the oil's gonna go everywhere. So let's try and catch it with the bucket. Ready, set. Hang on. Which way am I going? Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. We got the lighting now. We're good to go. Okay, so I'm gonna... Okay, I need a bigger stick because my little puny girl arms. Thank you. Thank you, wrench wench. Okay. Oh! I did it. Now I do the rest with my hand, right? I'm scared. I'm scared. Are you ready? Oh! Oh, that wouldn't be the first time something's exploded with liquid when I touched it with my hand, but usually it's the opposite of this color. I'll stop, I'm sorry. Look at it go. What do they call that? Laminar flow. It's like laminar flow. Oh my god, that's filling up quickly. I can't even tell how much is coming out because it's laminar flowing. I'm a scientist, I know what laminar flow is. Why is it black? The stuff in the carton isn't black. What does it smell like? It smells like car. That's a lot of oil. This container is like very full. Okay. Look at this. I'm a real boy now. I'm a full grown man. So let's crack the top of the oil container to let the air in. I'm actually too short for this. Where's my crate? Okay. Why is it hot? Okay, I did it. The air is going in. Now I need to put the bolt back in the thing under the car. Oh, I hate it so much. It's so scary under here. It's like a horrible cave. Okay, where's the bolt? I'm gonna clean this bolt because it's covered in black juice. What would happen if you drank it? It's like a health smoothie, you know how they're all like funny colors, like bright green and shit. I'm gonna put this back in the thing and screw it in and then tighten it with my wrench. Where's my wrench? Thank you. I'm not gonna drop this in the oil. Okay, I think that's good. That's good? I did good. Yay. Okay, let's get up. So now we have to put the fresh oil in. I need a funnel, right? You can't spell funnel without fun. Oil goes in to that. This funnel is too big. It won't fit in the hole. So this is our new funnel, which is a water bottle. It's ghetto as, it's fine. We're gonna make it work. We have a different container now that's gonna be a little more easy for me to pour. Being a small, short female. I'm doing it slowly, right? Slowly. Ah! Why does it look so different going in? It legit looks like honey or something. It's like thick and golden. It looks like it tastes really nice, you know what I'm saying? It looks like it would be really sweet, really high sugar content, high fructose corn syrup, you know what I'm saying? But I bet it tastes bad. And there we go! I did it! So now we're done with that, let's check the dipstick, which is this guy here. I've done this before on my scooter. I clean it off, I dip it back in, the big dipstick, because it's a car dipstick. And we can see that there is indeed enough oil in the oil tank now. Which means that's all that's left to do is to put the lid back on. Bad boy on tight. And that's how you change the oil in a Nissan Patrol. Subscribe!